Hey guys, so I'm back in the van again and I'm continuing to improve upon it, doing little things here and there. And one of the things I wanted to focus on is to really make my space more efficient in terms of storage. So I have these drawers, these little drawers, and they work great, but I got something even better. These drawers here. And my wife doesn't really remember where she got these. She says she thinks she got it at Target, but she doesn't know for sure. But anyways, it might be the Target dollar bin. It doesn't mean it's a dollar. It says $5 on it. But it's going to fit right here, and it's going to be bigger and more efficient than what I have here. So let me show you. Okay, so these are the original drawers. You can see they're a little bit small. They're very space efficient, of course, because they're so small. But what I want to do is I want to be able to put these guys and put two of them here, and you can see it's definitely bigger and more space efficient. And the nice thing about these drawers is that they're self-contained. So they have a casing of their own. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to need to just drill some holes to screw it up there and then mount it underneath, and they will fit right in. I don't have to make rails or anything for them, so that's going to be great. Okay, so starting off with these drawers, what I'm going to do is take out that drawer, and on this bottom side I'm going to drill a hole so that I could access this top part here. So basically I'm just going to drill a hole big enough so that I could stick in a long drill bit so that I could put a screw up here. And this one I'm going to put a hole again for the screw to go in, so the screws will go up like that, and this will just give me access. All right, got the holes. So now I could stick in my drill bit, and then I could drill in from the bottom side. All right, those are the holes for the screw to fit in. Now let's mount it up. Let's fit it in. Looks good. Let's do the same to this one. All right, let's get the other drawer in. Okay, looks good. You can see has more storage, and it doesn't take up that much more space down here. Now when I'm driving, I don't want these drawers flying out, so I need to make some kind of latch that'll hold them in place. So we got to do that next. All right, so I went in my junk drawer again, and I found these little plastic things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill these plastic things here and put them on a swivel so that it'll be able to turn and go back kind of like that. All right, so let's take a look at that. I have this thing, and I just twist it up, and I can open the drawer, turn it down, and the drawer stays locked. So I'll do the same to the other side. All right, got them both in now. Both sides have a little flip thing and a little lock. Okay, so now it's going to be secure when I'm driving. And get some junk back in there, lock that. And now I don't think I need this one anymore. I'd rather have the counter space, so I'm going to get rid of this one. And now that these are bigger, I will need less storage space. Right. So I removed that, so now the counter looks a little bit more free. And this is another situation where I don't really like it that I have to flip it all the way over like this. It's sticking up like that to pull out the drawer. So I'm going to make it so that all I have to do is turn it halfway. So I'm going to shave this down so that it fits within there. And yeah, I'm probably gonna crack it when I shave it, but I'll give it a shot. All right, so I decided against cutting this down because I just think it'll crack and there's just not enough plastic left to be strong. So I went out and I bought these mending plates. I didn't have any in my junk drawer, unfortunately, but I'm going to install these and I think they'll work better. It's a lot stronger than the plastic for sure. So and I should be able to twist it and it'll be just horizontal with the table. All right, I got it in. Just twist horizontal and then you can open your drawer. Everything's good. So I made it just tight enough that it stays when you twist it, and then it locks like that. All right, looks pretty good. I think I like it.